Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel, and also please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, help me grow, and also Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. And today we're going to change the strut on this Hyundai Elantra. So from 2017 come all the way up to 2020 will look the same. The body of the car might shape a little bit different, but it's the same exact car. So first we need to take the wheel off, and the wheel is gonna be 21mm or your lug tool, and we're gonna change the strut because this strut is leaking. As you can see, I don't know why it's leaking, but it's leaking. And I'm just gonna replace it. It's not that hard. Let's go ahead and do it. So once we remove the wheel, we want to get something like this, or if you're doing this on the ground, you can use your jack and kind of put it under here, just so the spring don't come all the way down. So we just put this under here, wind it up a little just to hold it, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this bolt right here. So we just need to remove this bolt, and up here we need to remove those two bolts. So we're gonna get started on that. Alright, so this right here is gonna be 14mm. Take one out, take the second one out, and then we're gonna move down to this one right here, and that like is bigger than a 14mm, so it's probably be a 17mm. So it is not 17, I said it's not 17mm, it is 19mm. Alright guys, so you see I have one hand holding the camera and one hand doing the work. So if I can do this with one hand, I know you guys can do it with both hands. And so we got the strut out, that holding it in place. We're gonna go ahead and get the new strut. I will leave a link in the description if I can find any strut. If I can't find any, then I will just put it in there whenever I find it. This is it right here, part number right there, if you want to get the part number. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. Alright guys, so this is how it comes. So I gotta take this off. This is a rubber cap, so just need to take that cap off. You can use a flathead screwdriver because I feel it kind of hard just now, so just use a flathead screwdriver to pry that off. And we're gonna remove this right here. It look like it's a, let's not guess, let's get the correct size. Alright guys, so actually it is 17mm. I'll hold this right here with my foot. So you want to take it off, take this off like that, and then we are finished with this one. Normally when you push strut down, it shouldn't even go down that easy, but as you can see it's leaking, and you see it doesn't want to come up. So let me see with this one, it's hard to push down, and if I let it go, come right back up. So we're gonna remove this. We're gonna put this on. So this, it doesn't matter which way you put it on, because it can turn on it. And also you might wanna use something to hold this right here when taking it off, because it's gonna slip. Or you can yeah, you're just gonna have to use something to hold this. Or take your time with a impact gun, because that will spin it more faster to get it off. But you don't want to use an impact gun when putting it on, because you won't get the torque spec. Okay guys, so we got that tightened down. I'm gonna get back this cap right here. Put that cap back on. And now it's time to put it back in the vehicle. Same way you take it out, same way you put it in. So if you see there, you have some lips where the screw go in. If you see here, you will see you have some like indents where the lips can go sit. So make sure you put those correctly. And I think it only goes this way. If you try to put it this way, it won't work. So don't worry too much about putting it the wrong way, because you can't, unless you are really, really special. So we have our 2 screw right there, and we have this right here also. Don't forget, you can always push this up if it's down too much. All right, you can always push this up if it's down too much. And also guys, you're still here, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. So once this is tight, up there is tight also, just go ahead and remove this. Remove whatever you have to hold it, whether a jack stand, a jack, or whatever you use to hold it. You can go ahead and remove it, and the job is basically done. It's just to put the wheel on. So I guess you guys don't need me for that part. So please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.